Well, I'm looking for some more branches for the bearded dragon terrarium. And here's a fallen tree right here. I'll probably get this cut up. Let's see what else is down here. I don't have a saw. I got a circular saw, battery powered. Let's see what else. Oh, that thing look real nice back there. But for one, that's too thick to cut. Let me see. Nah. So, look like I'm going to the first one that I saw. This look decent. This one's smooth. Got no bark on it. Let me see. Decisions. And I'm not walking back in there. I want those things getting stuck on my pants and my shoes. So I'm gonna get right what's in front of me. I'm gonna cut this one. Alright. So I'm off the side of the highway, and it's a public parking that I can park, and I can walk down here. This is off the side of the road, so, and this tree is falling. It's not like I'm going behind somebody's property doing this shit. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut down some branches, and then y'all look for the updated video for the bearded dragon terrarium.